morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Mobile Detailing Edmonton. If this is your first time joining us, where have you been? Today, we're headed over to Farley's place, where we're gonna get the Toyota lifted up about 3 inches. And in the back, we're gonna go 2 inches, and we're gonna get some Bilstein shocks, and we're gonna get some alignment, and we're gonna get a lot of stuff. And there may be 1 or 2 extra things we're gonna add on while we're there. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Somebody's shy on camera.
I am totally.
ReadyLift, Fab Tech, ReadyLift, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, no, that's cool.
You know what? Whatever you guys think, let's do it. All right, hold on, don't leave. All right, so tell me a little bit about the kit that we're putting on here.
Oh, you go ahead.
Okay. Oh, listen to you chickening out.
I'll just give a shout out to my oldest son, Chase, because he'll be watching.
Chase, we're gonna put you right up here, bro. All right, so what are we doing?
We're doing a 3-inch FabTech front and rear. Usually with the Bilstein shock, so I'll do all my first measurements, see where we're sitting at first, and we'll get up on the hoist and get her tore down and put the kit in.
Cool, so you always measure it first to figure it out?
Yeah, I always measure front and rear just to see where we start off, and then we can kind of have a baseline to go off of and when the kit's all in.
Okay. God, I'm so excited. It's gonna be awesome. You know, as a detailer, the scariest thing you can see is when they lift up your truck and they look under your skirt, so to speak, in your truck. Hopefully you got it right, because it'd be kind of embarrassing.
Marking them, it kind of puts me back in the right area, makes it easier. Never be perfect.
I know crack kills, sorry. I feel it. No coins dropped in, please. I'm fat, don't shame me.
Because the actual CV shaft will pull apart when the front end comes down. The CV actually can pull apart inside and you can't. You want to get this off.
That sucked. Get out! It's free! See? Weight savings. All you race car guys, that's all you gotta do. Just take your suspension out, save lots of weight. A little bit of Loctite. Come on, you can do it. Pump it. Get it in you. Look at that, putting in some work.
Yeah, working hard.
almost like work.
No wonder you guys are skinny. This is what I need to do.
This here? Yeah.
So what are we doing?
This here is gonna set your pinion angle and your front differential because everything kind of drops down, so you can drop and have your axles that are still straight. Everything has to come down when you.
That way it's not
suspension
so aggressive.
Yeah, and it's not wearing out parts like your CV axle boots and everything like that. Everything has to come down so that it can, that it'll ride where it's supposed to.
I can't believe you're famous, Joel.
He's so famous right now.
It's unreal.
Look at him.
You think he could have at least washed up a little bit?
I know, eh?
I thought he did.
Yeah.
Yeah, he might have.
It's not even my shower week.
big old muscles. Come on, Shira. Get it? Get it, son? More. Yeah. Oh, if you fall, I'm gonna laugh. Just full disclosure, it's gonna happen. Tell me about this. What is this one, man?
This is a 426 Hemi, Gen 2. It's like the Hemi that put Dodge on the market.
Wow.
And into the world of the big motors.
Wow. And those heads you were saying are factory, or?
Yeah, that's an original factory head.
Holy cow.
This is what you'll see. This is what is based off of all the top fuel cars today. All your
So this old engine is what everybody nowadays wants.
Yep.
That's so cool. 427. 426?
Yep.
Okay. Well, now everybody on my channel is gonna get they're gonna get heated. I called it the wrong thing.
Tons and tons of real nice power. It's drivable. It's
Wow, that's
makes
crazy.
a ton of torque.
Everybody, that's a wrap over here at Farley's. The Towrari, as I like to call it, is lifted up. We got our ReadyLift lift kit on it. It's looking awesome. Love it. And yeah, quality work. Amazing, guys. It's great. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. If you have any questions, if you have anything you'd like to see in the future, let us know in the comment box below. Other than that, we'll see you next time.